Treating cracked feet isn't expensive, nor does it have to involve medication. There are many home remedies you can try at home to get rid of your cracked feet once and for all. Here are some of the most popular remedies. Scrubbing dead skin away. Are you wondering how to remove dead skin from dry feet? One of the most popular remedies to remove cracked feet is to scrub simply with a pumice stone. Start by soaking your feet in warm soapy water to soften the hard dead skin on feet. You can then use the pumice stone to scrub the area to remove the dead skin. After you have scrubbed, you can then dry and moisturize your feet. Honey. Honey is a natural source that can work wonders for your cracked feet as it naturally moisturizes the skin. You can add 1 cup of honey to your foot bath, which should be filled with warm water. Just like before, soak your feet in the honey water for around 20 minutes and then gently scrub the hard skin. Make sure to still moisturize afterward, though. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is another natural remedy for cracked feet, and not only because it helps to moisturize the skin but also because of its antifungal and antibacterial properties. This is a great remedy for those whose cracked dry feet have developed deeper into the skin. After you have soaked and scrubbed your feet before bed, apply generous amounts of coconut oil to your feet and put on clean cotton socks. Once you wake in the morning, take off the socks and wash your feet as normal. You can do this daily until your cracked feet are gone. Vegetable oil. As well as coconut oil, you can also use any other form of vegetable oil. Do the same as with the coconut oil and apply after scrubbing feet before bed. It is advised not to let your feet thoroughly dry after you scrub them so as to lock in maximum moisture when you sleep at night. Mentholated rub. Another popular remedy of getting rid of cracked feet is to apply mentholated rub to clean feet before bed. Again, put on a pair of clean socks after you have applied the rub and go to sleep. In the morning, you can wash your feet as normal and continue to do this daily until you are happy that you have gotten rid of your cracked feet. Milk. You may be surprised to hear that milk is good for exfoliating as well, giving skin a nice healthy glow. The lactic acid and alpha hydroxy acid that is found in milk will help to remove the dry skin on feet. You can add 1 cup of milk to your foot bath and soak your feet for around 10 minutes. Paraffin wax. Paraffin wax is a great way to not only remove hard skin from your feet but to also help lock in moisture in the skin. Heat the paraffin wax in the microwave and add an equal amount of coconut oil to it. It should look like a thick paste. You can then add a thick layer of this paste onto the cracks on your feet, put clean cotton socks over and sleep overnight. Wash your feet as normal in the morning and repeat daily until the cracks on your feet have gone. Petroleum jelly. Another great way to get rid of cracked feet is with petroleum jelly, otherwise known as Vaseline, which many people will already have in the home. Want to know how to get rid of dead skin on feet? After soaking your feet and scrubbing the skin, apply a thick layer of petroleum jelly to the cracks on your feet. Put a pair of clean cotton socks on and sleep overnight. Clean your feet in the morning after waking and removing your socks. Glycerin. Glycerin is a great remedy for cracked feet because of its moisturizing and humectant properties. The best way to use this on your feet is to mix it with an equal part lemon juice and apply generously to your feet. Leave it on your feet for around 20 minutes and then wash off. You can also add some rose water to the glycerin and lemon juice to make your feet smell amazing as well as moisturize. Leave it on your feet for around 20 minutes and then wash off. You can also add some rose water to the glycerin and lemon juice to make your feet smell amazing as well as moisturize. Sesame oil. Sesame oil is a little miracle worked for cracked feet as it can help moisturize the skin, help prevent infection if the cracks are deep, and also help to encourage new skin cells. All you need to do is to add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil to your foot bath and soak your feet for 10 minutes. If you have deep cracks, then you may want to rub the sesame oil into the cracks before soaking your feet. Epsom salt. Epsom salt is known to help remove toxins as well as promote circulation, which is great for cracked feet. You can add a half cup of Epsom salt to your foot bath, soak for 10 minutes and then scrub with a pumice stone. Once you have improved or completely healed your cracked heels, it is best to figure out ways to maintain and prevent it from happening again. Moisturizing your feet regularly, Choosing a good pair of shoes and drinking plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated are just some of the best practices to take note of.